Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install PHP on Windows 11 step by step. So whether you are starting with web development or setting up a local server, then this video is very helpful for you. So let's get started. First, open any browser in your system. I am using Google Chrome and right here PHP and enter. Here you can see official website of PHP. Click on it. Now you can see downloads. Click on it and we will install for Windows. So click on binaries are available for Microsoft Windows. After scrolling, you can see current version of PHP is 8.4 and it is available for two version for non-thread safe and thread safe. So we'll choose thread safe. So click on zip file and save. Here you can see our zip file is downloaded. So right click and show in folder. Now let's extract it. So right click and extract all. Rename this and click on extract. After extracting, you can see PHP 8.4.11. Right click and click on cut. And here click on Windows C, program files and paste here. Click on continue. After the pasted here, click on PHP 8.4.11 and copy this path. Right click and copy. Minimize this. Now we have to set up the environment variable. Search here environment and click on open. Environment variables. Here you can see path. Click on it. New and paste here. Click on OK, OK and OK. Now let's test it. It is successfully installed or not. Click on search bar and search cmd and open. Right here php hyphen version and enter. Here you can see the current version of PHP is 8.4.11. So we have successfully installed the PHP in our system. Minimize this. To run a sample program, search here Notepad. I'm using Notepad++. You can choose Notepad or Notepad++. Right here PHP and echo hello world. Now click on file, save as, choose desktop. Right here hello.php and save as, all type, save. Minimize this. To print PHP file, search here cmd and change the directory cd desktop and enter. Right here php hello.php and enter. You can see hello world. So we have successfully installed our PHP in Windows 11 PC. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.